these vents out because there was a little bit of stuff right here I did not like. You can kind of see how it's not smooth at all. The rest of the hole seems to be fine. I also didn't like the way it mounted, so we're going to remount these a better way. Here on this side seems to be fine. It's more of a smoother line. We still got some carbon that I never painted because the grill was covering it up. We're going to go ahead and paint all that blue. And I kind of think I got all of the carbon texture out of this, if that makes any sense. You can see a bunch of aggressive scratches. We did use a 400 grit pad to sand all this stuff at first. But I believe I got all the carbon out because it's kind of textury. Like whenever you had it beside the fender right here, you can see super like textured and then super smooth paint here, and I didn't really like the vibe that was giving. As well as there was a few other things in the hood. I had some chips on there. I had some spots that was like bubbling on the side from like the gel coat from the carbon, which I have no idea how that happened, but I had some stuff like that coming up, so I just feel like it was time to just redo the whole hood.
Tape. Good. This new glue doesn't really need tape now. Too much. That's perfect.
Boys, that's a wrap. Glass is in the car. Super cool. It's finally coming back together. It looks like an actual car again. It doesn't look like, you know, a parts car, like we're about to part the thing out. Poor girl, poor girl. But yeah, shout out to Erik and Eric. Thank you guys so much for putting this glass in. I really appreciate it. You guys can be knocked out on a Saturday morning. I really appreciate those guys. They're awesome. Super clean glass work. Everything looks great. The molding is taped phenomenally and everything is in the side just like it's supposed to be. Everything looks OEM. I finally have a little trim here at the back corners. Couldn't be more happy with that. But yeah, glass is in the car. Me and Caitlin are going to grab a bite to eat here. She just got over here looking cute as ever. We're going to go grab a bite to eat and then we're going to come back and we're going to cut the fenders today. We are going to dive into cutting the fenders today. Finish some trim at the top. I have to put the other trim on the other side. We also have to finish everything on the front end because the front end is all torn apart. Hood is back here painted. The bumper is back there painted. And yeah, ready to get it knocked out. We are T-minus 4 days from invasion. Little Beamer is not going on this poor adventure. Sorry for the guy. Sorry for the guy. help guide me on the inside? You good? I'm gonna go ahead and touch. You just slide under the headlight first. Beautiful. You can let that. Should be lit. All right, it's about 1 in the morning. We have got a lot accomplished tonight. Fender vents are in. Carbon intake is curing right now with some resin on it. Hood has some wet sanding done to it. The lip is on the bumper. The bumper is on the car, not fully mounted. We still have to put the bolts here in the sides. We got all of our cool little bolts in the engine bay done, and yeah, we got a lot done. We got a lot done. Pretty successful night. This is now leading into Tuesday. We leave Thursday, so we're cutting a little close, but I'm not that worried about it anymore. We got a lot done tonight, and we did a bunch of stuff. Beamer is so ready to go to the house. He is so ready to go. He's done. He's had today. He's had it today. But we're really good, really good. I got some spots pointed out on the roof that I'm going to wet sand, and we're going to call it a night, and we will join you back tomorrow.